One of the capabilities of Dynamics AX integrating with the Microsoft Stack and the Microsoft Office technology is the ability to share reports and collaborate. So in this example, we've built a very simple Excel chart using some data from Dynamics AX. In this particular case, it's actually coming from a pivot table, Power Pivot data feed that's actually coming from a Dynamics AX report. Now, we can go up to the File menu and, of course, use the collaboration capabilities in SharePoint. So we can go and save this document on SharePoint. So I could go and browse to a location that I've been before, or go and open a new location, for example. So, of course, depending on where the location is, I can go to intranet.contoso.com, for example. It'll take a little while to refresh. So you may get prompted to log in. So in the current session, just make sure you remember password. So you may get prompted twice, for example. Okay, so I can look for the shared documents folder. And I'm going to put this one in operations, for example. And I'm just going to call it fixed asset analysis and then save it. It'll give me the document tagging information. So one of the advantages of this is that we can, of course, send people just a URL in email, for example, plus you get the Excel web analytics capabilities. So you might get prompted about the query refresh. And so this will take a little while to refresh the first time you do it, but of course once you do it, then you're in the web browser and then you can pivot on the slicer that you've provided in your report, for example. Now, of course, you won't show 3D charts, so we'll only show just the flat model. That's just part of the conversion or the rendering from an Excel perspective in the web, but at least you'll get graphics capabilities. So that's an important feature from a collaboration perspective that, of course, you want to show relative to the BI scenarios that you're trying to get across to customers, and the collaboration capabilities AX has with, of course, the Office products.